So, the Accord has this StartX and this switch system that makes the car go. So you put it in gear, put it in first gear, and off you go. You can go ahead and put it in second gear, but nothing happens until you push the clutch. And when you push the clutch, she shifts. Now you're in second gear. So we just stick her down into third gear and drive on down the road. You can see how smooth it is. The speedometer's working. So I'm in third gear, so I'm going to go ahead and push the clutch in third gear. Now we can go on down the road a little more. Most of the dash works. You can see the beautiful metal turn dash. Amp gauge is working. Beautiful oil pressure. Tach works. Speedometer works. Oh, I guess I'll put it up into fourth gear, which fourth gear on the 37 is almost kind of like an overdrive. You can see the car, works like a dream.